Cornell Cooperative Extension Allegany County presents Indoor Herb Gardening, the mini-series. Episode 5. How to water indoor herbs. It sounds easy, just to put water and that's it. How to water plants, it sounds obvious, but is the most common mistake, and this is how many people kill indoor plants. So let's learn how to do it properly. Number 1, test your soil. So water when the top 2 inches feel dry. You can use this method just with your finger. Just put your finger in the pot, and if that comes out something like this, the first 2 inches of your finger comes like example number 1 or example number 2, you don't need to water. Only if your finger comes out dry or 90% dry. In that way, you know exactly when to water. Take note to know how often your soil dries out, depending on the season of the year, so you will know how often to water your plants. And do not water too often. Overwatering is a common mistake in indoor gardening and is the easiest way to kill your indoor plants. Some watering techniques: using room temperature to avoid shocking roots, so don't use ice cubes for watering, and water in the morning to reduce the risk of mold or fungal growth. Less water in the cooler months is better, and mist when needed, especially in dry environments. Drainage. Use pots with drainage holes at the bottom. Choose a lightweight, well-draining potting mix and add perlite, sand, or vermiculite for improved aeration if needed, and avoid compacting the soil when planting. And even if you don't have a fancy self-watering pot like these ones, you can recycle material and create your own pots. For humidity, group plants together to increase humidity. Use a humidifier. You can place a small humidifier near your plants, especially during the winter, but keep in mind that it depends if you have a large room or a small room, you will need a big or small humidifier. Also, keep plants away from air conditioners, heaters, or vents, and monitor with a hygrometer. Keep learning about herbs. Watch our next episode, How to Fertilize Indoor Herbs.